In today's video, we're going to be doing a resonator delete on this MK5 GTI. We're going to compare it to the stock exhaust system, and then also along the way what it sounds like if you were to do a back box delete, and also both a res and box delete, which you can call a straight pipe. So we'll compare the differences in this video. So to start off, let's get a cold start of the stock system. Now that it's warmed up, let's give it some revs. So this is the resonator delete pipe that I'm going to be fitting on the car. Here's a little closer look at it. This is what it looks like at the moment underneath the car. And this right here, this big box, is the resonator. This is what we're going to be taking out and replacing with the straight pipe. At this point, I have cut off the end of the resonator pipe where it connects onto the back box. This will give you an idea of what it will sound like if you were to keep the resonator and delete the box. Now bear in mind, the pipe is sitting just below the back box, so part of it is sort of still attached to the back box, but it will give you a general idea of the sound. Now the resonator is completely off and is essentially a straight pipe now, and it is very, very loud. Take a listen. And there we have it. The res delete is now complete. Everything is all buttoned up now. Now you can have a listen to what it sounds like as a res delete.